प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की जय. Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum, and a very pleasant good morning to you listeners on 103 FM. This is a very beautiful morning, broadcasting from the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Your program Shanti Vandana, Pandit Krishan Ramdeen in your company. Today, my friends, we join in wonderful conversations on the subject that is known as setting goals. My friends, every single human being, once you have life, once you have consciousness, my friends, you must always be working towards some goal, some dream, some aspiration. And this morning as we join in a very beautiful discussion on this journey of Shanti Vandana, please join as we touch the feet of Bhagwan Shiva. This is the Bilva Ashtakam, a very beautiful mantra, ancient mantra, where if you have your Shiva Lingam, it is the mantra that is chanted, Eka Bilvam Shiva Arpanam, as you offer a bay leaf on the Shiva Lingam. Please join with us.
Tridalam Triguణakaram Trinetram Chatrayayudham Trijanma Papa Samharam Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Trishakaih Bilvapatraischa Achidraih Komalaih Shubhaih Tava Pujam Karishyami Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Dantikoti Sahasrani Khila Parvata Kotayaha Kanchanam Shailadanena Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Kasi Kshetra Nivasam cha Kalabhairava Darshanam Prayage Madhavam Društva Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Induvare Vratam Sthitva Niraharo Maheshwaraha Naktam Haushyami Devesha Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Ramalinga Pratishtha cha Vaivahika Kritam Tatha Tatakadicha Santanam Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Akhanda Bilva Patram cha Ayutam Shiva Pujanam Kritam Nama Sahasrena Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Umaya Sahadevecha Nandivahanameva Bhasmalepana Sarvangam Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Salagrameshu Vipranam Tatakam Dashakupayoh Yajñakoti Sahasrascha Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Dantikoti Sahasreshu Asvamedha Shatakratau Koti Kanya Mahadanam Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Bilvanam Darshanam Punyam Sparshanam Papanasanam Aghora Papa Samharam Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Sahasra Veda Patheshu Brahmasthapanam Uchyate Aneka Vrata Kotinam Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Annadana Sahasreshu Sahasropanayanam Tatha Aneka Janma Papani Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Bilvashtakamidam Punyam Yah Pathet Shiva Sannidhau Shivalokam Avapnoti Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Darshanam Bilva Vrikshaischa Sparshanam Papanasanam Aghora Papa Samharam Ekabilvam Sivarpanam Ekam cha Bilva Patraischa Koti Yajña Phalam Labhet Mahadevaischa Pujartham Ekabilvam Sivarpanam
Ek Bilvam Shivarpadam Trijanma Papa Samharam Are Ek Bilvam Shiva Arpadam. Knowledge, my friends, helps us to understand what is required to reach our destination, provided that we know what the destination is. Devotees of God, there's a beautiful story that goes that an ancient sage, an Indian sage, was teaching his disciple the art of archery. And he put a wooden bird as the target and asked his disciples to aim at the eye of that bird. The first disciple was asked to describe what he saw. And he said, Guruji, I see the trees, the branches, the leaves, the sky, the bird, and I also see its eye. The sage asked his disciple to wait. And then he asked the second disciple the same question. And he replied, Gurudev, I only see the eye of the bird. And the sage said, very good, now shoot. Friends, the arrow went straight and hit the eye of the bird. You see, devotees, unless we focus, we cannot achieve our goal. It is hard to focus and to concentrate. But I'd like to remind you this morning, it is a skill that can be learned. It was in the year 1952, a woman by the name of Florence Chadwick was on her way to becoming the first woman to swim the Catalina Channel, and she had already conquered the English Channel. And the world was watching, and Chadwick fought the dense fog, the bone-chilling cold, and the sharks. And she was striving to reach the shore, but every time she looked through her goggles, all she could see was the dense fog. And unable to see the shore, she gave up, my friends. Chadwick was disappointed when she found out that she was only a half a mile away from the coast. She quit, my friends, not because she was a quitter, but because her goal was not anywhere in sight. The elements didn't stop her. She said, I am not making excuses. If only I had seen the land, I could have made it. Devotees, 2 months later, she went back and she swam the Catalina Channel. This time, in spite of the bad weather, she had her goal in mind and not only accomplished it, but beat the men's record by 2 hours. Devotees of God, on the brightest sunny day, the most powerful magnifying glass will not set a piece of paper afire if you keep moving the glass around. For those of us who use magnifying glasses as toys when we were little children, you would know this. That if you move the glass around, no matter how hot the sun is, it will not set the paper on fire. But if you focus the light and hold it on one spot, you know, my friends, the paper will burn. This is the power of concentration. Today, I'm asking you, as we take the blessings of Suryanarayan Swami, as the sun is preparing to share its blessings, its abundance of blessings on the eastern horizon, please join as we take the blessings of Surya Bhagavan. Please join.
जन्मान्तरसहस्रेषु दारिद्र्यं नोपरि सूर्ये नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने जन्मान्तरसहस्रेषु दारिद्र्यं नोपजायते आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने 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 आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान् ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने
Listening to the program Shanti Vandana on 103 FM. This is Pandit Krishan Ramdi in your company. If you're not joining with us, we're discussing the importance of having goals in our life. A man was traveling and stopped at an intersection. And he asked an elderly man, he says, "Where does this road take me?" And the elderly person asked, "Where do you want to go?" And the man replied, "I really don't know." And the elderly person said, "Then take any road. What difference does it make?" Devotees, can you imagine a football team is really charged up to go, very enthusiastic about ready to play the game. When someone goes outside and takes away the goalposts and the goal lines and take it all away, what would happen to the game? There's nothing left. How do you keep score? How do you know that you would have arrived? You see, friends, enthusiasm without goal setting and direction is like wildfire and can be frustrating. You see, goals in life give a sense of direction. Would you board a train, or if you're flying from Trinidad to New York, would you board a plane without knowing where it was going? Absolutely not. Then, my friends, why do people go through life sometimes without having any defined goals? You see, sometimes people confuse goals with dreams and with wishes. But dreams and wishes are nothing more than just desires. And desires are weak. Desires become strong, my friends, when we fuel the desire with dedication and direction and discipline and determination. These are what differentiate a desire from a goal. But sometimes we ask, why is it that people don't set goals? Why it is that some people go through their life without setting a goal? You see, there are many reasons. One reason is some people have a pessimistic attitude. They continue going through life and their focus is on the pitfalls rather than possibilities. Some people are afraid of failure, thinking that, what if I don't make it? People feel sometimes subconsciously that if they don't set goals, then they can't fail. Some people, my friends, are afraid of their own success. A low self-image or fear of having to live up to their success causes some people, my friends, to be afraid of their own success. Some people lack ambition. Some people are afraid of rejection, worrying that if I don't make it, what will other people say and what would they think? Friends, some people procrastinate, thinking that someday I will set my goals, but this ties them to a lack of ambition, my friends. Some people have low self-esteem. Some people are operating on the ignorance of the importance of goals. But my friends, there are others who lack the knowledge about how to set goals. Do you remember Hanuman Swamiji? When he leapt from the southern tip of India to go to Lanka, devotees of God, you remember what he did. No matter what obstacles came his way, Surasa, Lankini, all these were obstacles and distractions along his pathway. But Hanumanji was focused. He was determined. He had a goal to work towards. He had to find Sita Devi, and notwithstanding all the hindrances that came his way, my friends, he was always fixed on that goal that he had. Today I'm asking you, what are your goals? Today, what is your primary goal? Some people set major targets on Old Year's night or on New Year's morning, and we say that I'm making a resolution, a New Year's resolution. But my friends, let's start today. What are your goals? What are the things that you would like to achieve today? And my friends, having established a goal, I'm asking you, what are you doing? What are you doing to ensure that you reach those goals? After this very beautiful bhajan, we'll join in understanding that goals are not just goals. Goals are not just one-sided. Goals must also be balanced. This is Shanti Vandana, Pandit Krishan Ramdin in your company as we join in a very beautiful bhajan to Shankar Mahadev.
शंकर भोला हर भोला शंकर भोला भोला शंकर भोला हर भोला शंकर भोला शैलेश्वर हर विश्वंभर धर भोला 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 हर भोला शंकर भोला। भोला शंकर भोला, हर भोला शंकर भोला। सूर्य चंद्र प्रलयाग्निनेत्रधर, सूर्य चंद्र प्रलयाग्निनेत्रधर। शक्ति सहित शिव नदन मनोहर, शक्ति सहित शिव नदन मनोहर। शक्ति सहित शिव नदन मनोहर, शक्ति सहित शिव नदन मनोहर। शक्ति सहित शिव नटन मनोहर, भोला 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 भोला। भोला शंकर भोला, हर भोला शंकर भोला। शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय, ओम 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 नमः शिवाय। Thank you. Thank you.
Very beautiful bhajan there by Shri Hari Haran, live at Antarnad in Bharat, India. Many people go through their life setting goals. Many people go through their life setting goals, but sometimes even when they do that, it frustrates them because they never achieve those goals. You see, in the business world, we're told that when you set a goal, it must be a SMART goal. You see, the word SMART, the acronym SMART, S-M-A-R-T, tells us how we should go about setting those goals. We're told that S means that the goal must be very specific. I want to lose weight, but I want to lose 10 pounds in 90 days. Very specific, not open-ended. M means it must be measurable. In the management world, we say what you can't measure, you can't manage. And therefore, when you set a goal, you must be able to measure that you are moving towards accomplishing it. A means that the goal must be achievable. Therefore, sometimes people go around setting goals that sometimes become disheartening because it is not achievable. Your goal must be realistic. You see, if your goal is to lose 50 pounds in 30 days, you might be a little bit unrealistic. And T means there must be a time to achieve it. T means your goal must be time bound. You should set a starting and a finishing date to reach your goal, my friends. But today, sometimes in this fast world of fast living, we recently heard the news of one of the stars in the movie Fast and Furious. He died in a very tragic accident. We live in a fast world that everything must happen now at the snap of a finger. Even Narad Muniji in the Ramcharitamanas, when he wanted to marry Mohini, that very beautiful girl, he wanted to whip up a quick solution by asking Bhagwan Sri Vishnu for a solution. And therefore, my friends, sometimes when we get so focused on one thing only in our life, when we focus on only one aspect of life, although we're setting goals, we can be unbalanced. Not the goal is unbalanced, but our life becomes unbalanced. So, our life should be like a wheel. And let me suggest this morning that this wheel of your life has 6 spokes. And these 6 spokes represent the balance that we should enjoy and pursue in life. The first, it is family. Our loved ones are the reason to live and to make a living. Secondly, financial goals. This represents our career and the things that money can buy. Third, physical goals. You see, without your health, nothing makes sense. Without a good and healthy body and mind, my friends, then not even Bhagavan becomes easy to focus on. So you should have physical goals. You should have mental goals as well. You see, it represents your target in terms of improving your life when knowledge and wisdom is concerned. The 5th goal should be around your social life. Every individual, an organization has social responsibilities even. You see, without social goals, society starts decaying and dying. And 6th, my friends, you must have spiritual goals. You see, your value system represents ethics and character. But today I would like to ask you to think of this example. The wheel with 6 spokes which represent the balance in your life. If any of these spokes is out of alignment, your life goes out of balance. Take a few moments this morning, my friends, to just consider, if any one of these 6 spokes were missing, what would your life be like? This is Shanti Vandana. Please join as you contemplate your life. Are you living a balanced life? Please join. in another very beautiful rendition. This one, my friends, it is upbeat. It is a rendition done by the Mayapuris. It is Hare Krishna style, and therefore I invite you, if you are preparing to go to your mandirs this morning, if you are preparing bhojan, meals for your family, whatever it is, this bhajan, or rather this musical, this instrumental is for you. Please join in this wonderful expression of Shri Krishna.
Da dei da guru guru da guru da guru guru da guru guru da guru. Da dene nak dene dene nak dene dene da dene dene da dene dene da dene da dene. Kene kene ta dene dene ta kene kene ta dene dene ta kene kene ta dene dene.
You're listening to the program Shanti Vandana on the first, the finest 103 FM. Today, my friends, we're joining in a very wonderful conversation on setting goals in life. I recently came about a very interesting reading, and it spoke about people who are very accomplished in one aspect only of their life, but because they were unbalanced, they were very unhappy individuals. In 1923, 8 of the wealthiest people in the world, they met, and their combined wealth, it is estimated, exceeded the wealth of the government of the United States of America, at that time at least. And these men certainly knew how to make a living and accumulate wealth. But recently someone examined what happened 25 years later, further from the year 1923. First, president of the largest steel company, Charles Schwab, he lived on borrowed capital for 5 years before he died bankrupt. Second person, president of the largest gas company, Howard Hobson, he went insane. Third, one of the greatest commodity traders, Arthur Cotton, he died insolvent. Fourth, president of the New York Stock Exchange, Richard Whitney, he was sent to jail. Fifth, a member of the president's cabinet, Albert Fall, well, definitely he fell. He was pardoned from jail to go home and die in peace. Sixth, the greatest bear on Wall Street, Jesse Livermore, he committed suicide, friends. Seventh, the president of the world's greatest monopoly, Ivor Kruger, committed suicide. And the eighth of the 8 wealthiest people in the United States at the time, president of the Bank of International Settlement, Leon Fraser, he committed suicide. Friends, what they forgot, all of these 8 men, what they forgot was how to make a life. Devotees, it is stories like these that gave individuals the false impression that money is the root of all evil. Friends, that is not true. Money did not cause these people's problems. Money provides food for the hungry, medicine for the sick, and clothes for the needy. But money is only a medium of exchange. In fact, friends, it was the pursuit of money to the exclusion. That is all that they were doing, pursuing money at the exclusion of the other 5 spokes in their lives. That was the primary reason that caused the downfall of all these 8 men. Friends, today, in this age of Kali Yuga, in the year 2013 that is almost coming to an end, I'm reminding you, more than ever, we need 2 kinds of education. One that teaches us how to make a living, and one that teaches us how to live. Today, the school system is so focused on children earning a living. Sometimes our system fails where we don't teach the children how to live. This is Shanti Vandana, Pandit Krishan Ram being in your company as we join in a very beautiful bhajan. Please join.
अब रैन कहाँ जो सोवत है, जो जागत है सो पावत है, जो सोवत है सो होवत है, जो जाग मुसाफिर भूल भई। जब पाप की गठरी शीस धरी, फिर शीस पकड़ क्यों रो मत है उठो, जाग मुसाफिर भोर भई, अब रैन कहाँ जो सोवत है जो, जागत है सो पावत है, जो सोवत है सो खोवत है उठो, जाग मुसाफिर भोर भई, अब रैन कहाँ जो सोवत है उठो, जाग मुसाफिर भोर भई।
You're listening to the program Shanti Vandana on the first of finest 103 FM. This is Pandit Krishan Ramling in your company as we almost bring down the curtains on our discussions on the importance, friends, of setting goals in our life. Every person who aims at nothing, we're told, will never miss. What a very beautiful statement. Every person who aims at nothing will never miss in their life. Friends, what are your goals? What are you aiming for? What are your aspirations in life? Today, as we bring down the curtains on this edition of Shanti Vandana, I'm asking you that you must evaluate every goal. Put it through that which is known as a filter test, allowing your goals to be screened before you can validate them, especially as we come to the end of the year. These 6 criteria include: is it the truth? Is it fair to all who are concerned? Will it get me good health and wealth and peace of mind? Is it consistent with my other goals in life? And finally, ask yourself truly and honestly answer the question, can I commit myself to that goal? Friends, unless those 6 criteria are satisfied, then my friends, it may suggest that we have to go back at those goals that we would have set. Evaluate those goals and make sure that they are all in congruence in satisfying the criteria. You see, goals without action, my friends, are very just dreams that are empty. Anyone can have a dream, anyone can have a desire, but it is something that is extra required to take those dreams and those aspirations towards a very definitive goal. You see, actions turn dreams into goals. And even if a person misses his goal, it doesn't make him a failure or a failure. You see, delay does not mean defeat. It only means we have to rise and revise our plan to reach our target. You see, just like a camera, friends, needs focus to take a good picture, you and I, we need goals to make a productive life. You and I, my friends, we need goals to make a productive life. Please join in this final bhajan as we conclude our conversations on setting goals.
जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। सब मिलके ताल पे ताली बजाइए, लगना चाहिए इसे। माखन जग में एक चुरावे, एक बेर भीलनी के खावे। माखन ब्रज में एक चुरावे, एक बेर भीलनी के खावे। प्रेम भाव से भरे अनोखे दोनों के हैं काम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। एक कंस पापी को मारे, एक दुष्ट रावण संहारे। एक कंस पापी को मारे, एक दुष्ट रावण संहारे। एक कंस पापी को मारे, एक दुष्ट रावण संहारे। दोनों दिन के दुख हरत है दोनों बल के धाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। जग में सुंदर है दो नाम, चाहे कृष्ण कहो या राम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम। बोलो राम 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 बोलो, श्याम श्याम श्याम।
You're listening to the program Shanti Vandana on 103 FM. Pandit Krishna Ramdeen saying thank you very much for joining with us over the last hour. Please stay tuned every Friday, Saturday and Sunday morning as we join for continued beautiful conversations on Shanti Vandana. Namaskar.
बोलो राम राम